How to disable calls on Discord mobile. To disable calls or turn off call notifications on Discord mobile, you can follow these simple steps. First of all you have to do is open the Discord app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your Discord account. Once in there, tap on the U option available at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to your user profile. Then simply tap on the settings icon at the top right. Then scroll down and tap on the notifications option available in there. Then inside the notification, you can simply see there are options like disable the notifications and disable the call from the phone app option available there as well. Turn it off and go back to the home screen. Now, swipe and look for the settings app in your home screen and simply tap on it. Once inside the settings app, scroll down and tap on the notification option available in there. Inside the notification, from the list of all apps, all you have to do is scroll down and look for the Discord and simply tap on it. Then simply toggle off the switch of the allow notification, and hence that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.